Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will review about Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G mobile. Key features: 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM, 17.27cm, 6.8-inch, Quad HD Plus display, 200MP plus 10MP plus 12MP plus 10MP 12MP front camera, 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, Immaculate photography, the powerful processor and sophisticated camera sensor of the Samsung Galaxy Ultra handle low light conditions and noise reduction. Even the camera lens reduces flare to make the capture extremely crisp. Sophisticated processor. Fast gaming and video streaming are made possible by this phone's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which also offers an extended battery life to get you through even the busiest days. Eco-friendly design. This phone is bundled in a case made of recycled paper and protective film manufactured from paper. It is made of repurposed glass and PET film and is colored with organic dyes. Expert raw brilliance. To shoot high-resolution raw photographs that are vibrant and full of detail, you can simply launch Expert RAW. When taking an astrophoto, you can clearly catch planets and constellations by setting the exposure manually or letting the camera decide. Dynamic display. Whether the screen is brightly lit or dimly lit, dynamic AMOLED 2X produces crisp, vibrant details. Additionally, the refresh rate is automatically optimized with 120 Hz technology to smooth out the gameplay and conserve power. Powerful battery. With a 5000 mAh sophisticated battery, this phone allows you to game and stream late into the night without any inhibitions. Amazing S Pen. This phone preserves the legacy of the Note by incorporating the S Pen. Additionally, it helps you stop using notebooks, making memos and sketches simple and environmentally friendly. Immaculate user experience. With consistency between Galaxy devices, you can effortlessly drop text and photos onto your PC using a single mouse, keyboard, or touchpad, then switch back to your phone when it's time to run. One UI superiority. One UI maximizes versatility by giving you the option to customize almost every element, including widgets, alerts, lock screens, and themes. In this manner, personalizing your phone is simple. Stupendous connectivity. With just a fast Wi-Fi transfer or a quick login to your Samsung account, you are ready to go. Even fewer steps are required to move your programs, photographs, messages, and more from any OS to your new phone. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.